Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Telegram private channel. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just type right here Telegram, and I'm going to double check if my Telegram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen. I'm going to go ahead to my browser. If you want to take a screenshot in Telegram private group, just follow those steps or follow these steps. Open the Telegram app on your device and then go to the secret chat conversation where you want to take a screenshot, and once you are in the secret chat, locate the content you want to capture in that screenshot. Don't capture the whole conversation, just capture the specific thing that you want to actually take for that part, right? And basically you're gonna be able to actually do it. Now basically if you are using iPhone, they will prevent the screenshot from happening by blocking screenshot within the secret chats, enhancing privacy protection, forward restrictions, and messages from secret chats cannot be forwarded to other conversations, ensuring their confidentiality. All right, confidentiality. So basically you're gonna be able to pull it off if you are using Android, but if you're using iPhone, I don't think that you will actually, because they will block it, or they will show like a white screen if you try to actually take a screenshot on the private channel or private group. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.